Today I'd like to introduce how to use the database systems in the workflow. Let me show you as possible as I will slowly show you. So enter the Yoon directories and go to the was and bin directories. Here we have a run SQL manager. Then you can get some connection pop-up menu. We have to select the top 3, the HSQL database engine server. Select this. Okay. Then you can get the database manager windows here. So all this area, all the tables related to these engines. So first time we have to create some tables which we'll use in our workflow. So let me see that the create SQL okay. Now we will use this one. Yeah, create SQL languages. It's create table service request. There is some tuples, service request ID and request descriptions and request class and the resolutions. Then we just execute it. Then it's created the table. Okay. Then later on, so we will use this one for what kinds of content in the service request table. Then we select all from service request table. So for a moment, there is no any content. After we learning this workflow, then you can see what is happening inside the database. Okay, let's go to the Yoon home pages. So we'll use the last tutorials. Here we have some service after service workflow here. We can use this one. Click the improve, keep it, and start the process designer. Click. Okay. Okay. We are ready to use this process designer, reduce some sizes. Okay. So here is some connection menus. Here is database related activities. The SQL activities is just we use the SQL language. Database mapping, we used some graphical mapping activities, capabilities we can use. So we select this one here. So let me show you how to make a database mapping. The name is database mapping is okay. We select the DB mapping menu. So we size up. So we key in the table name. Service request table name is service request. And then we use the refresh, right click mouse and select refresh. Then you see the database schemas comes here. So request ID and everything here. The left hand side, all the variables and the rules and instance, many informations here, some activity starting time, ending time, due date, everything. So everything we can save in the database under some certain purpose. So for the moment, we just save these 3 tuples for the tutorial purpose. So service request ID is instance ID. So we make a connection mapping here, and the request description is trouble description. Okay, request class is the trouble class. Okay, and then resolution means result report. Yeah, that's all. It's easy to mapping here. Then we just apply it. And then database mapping activities design already done. So we deploy it. Okay, confirm it. So successfully done. Then we'll test this one. Okay, so we refresh this menu. Okay, we see the travel ticket new one. Yeah, here is the database mapping activities comes here. So just we will confirm it is working well or not by using this SQL database managers. So for the moment, we don't have any content here, but after we use this workflow, then we can confirm the database should be stored or not. Okay, initiate. Okay, so the login information is a tester. Tester is a manager, so we can simply checking all the things. In case of the system errors, okay, system errors, system down. Okay, complete. Then we can checking workflow is come to the managers. So manager is exactly same as the tester. So just I select, I assigned some repairman. So I assigned myself for the quickly show you how to work this workflow with the database mapping. Okay, complete. Then, so I'm the repairman, so I repair. Repair, well done. Complete. Okay, I checking the workflows. It's finished. So we can confirm this information stored in the database or not. Okay, see, select, execute it. So the request ID is 119, description system down, request class is the system, result is repair well. So you know how how to use the database in the workflow. Okay, it's very simple. Thank you. See you next time.